Good morning from my side. Let's see how outside look like. Welcome back. Oh, it's going to rain today. Okay, it's raining. It is raining already. Yeah, good morning you all once again. How has been your stay? How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, welcome back. Um, yeah, welcome back. If this is your first time to come across my channel, okay, my name is Blessing and you are highly welcome. Okay, thank you for coming. Yeah, I wanted to take you along for today's video. I'm going to make we call it in my language akariko. Yeah, I wanted to make akariko, okay, which is MoiMoi. MoiMoi. Yeah, most of you know, right? So I wanted to make MoiMoi, and yeah, let me take you along with me and let's make it together. Mama, don't come. So yeah, like I said, I wanted to make MoiMoi, and yeah, I'll take you along and let's make it together. This is my first time, yeah, actually here making MoiMoi, okay, but back home, of course. So let's make it. You know, it takes a lot of time because of how, yeah, to wash and remove all those things. Yeah, but I'll try to be, you know, it will not take time, okay. This will be special one. I will try to be fast, and I wanted to make that cook it. I wanted to cook yani normal way, normal way cook how we cook beans, okay. But I don't feel like eating like that again, so I wanted to eat my. Okay. So let's do it again. It's cold. It's raining like you see outside there, so it's raining. So let's go and see how, you know. So this is the beans. I'm going to wash and move all these ones, all the black one. Okay. I'm going to move everything out. So I'm going to wash and move all the black things you see there. So I'll wash everything out. Okay? Yeah. Let's start. How far I've gone. Okay, what I've, you know, let me show you. So this is it. Okay, you can see. Honestly, we can still see this little black one still inside. If I cannot move again, it's okay. After all, with normal cook, we don't move anything, okay? It's because I wanted to make moi. And also, if you want to make a cara, that is the only way you do this extra work, you know? So that's it. Yeah, that is how far I go. Okay, I will try and move the remaining one. It's not much again, but yeah, it's fine, okay? So yeah, and this, you can see the shaft. You can see. So you see, this is what we normally do. It's we cook it like this, normal cooking, you know. Yeah, to see how much. No, it's more work. So right now the my sauce is here. This is the sauce I'm going to use. So I'm cooking the sauce now. It's just onions and pepper, red bell pepper and yeah, okay. So that's it. And this meat you are seeing behind, I'm going to boil it later on against tomorrow, okay. So that is where I am now. I use it to blend the pepper, so I'm not going to wash anything. So of course everything go together, right? So yeah, let's start blending. I'm using oven, okay? Just came to my head. And let's see, first time to make moi moi in the oven. So let's see how it's going to. Inshallah, it's going to come out well. Inshallah, tola tayyib. All right, so let me clean my mess. I still have things to do. I have laundry. I will boil meat. I will make cake. Yeah, I will make cake again because tomorrow, the cake I make the other day remain very small. Yeah, it's not gonna be enough for tomorrow. So I'm going to make another one today because tomorrow is a busy day. Tomorrow, remember, we are having visitor. Okay, so I will make cake after cleaning my mess. All right. So see you later. So yummy. Very, very nice. Whatever you feel like making your moi moi with, you can make it. So I added what they call it, sardine. Okay. Ah. So thank you so much for staying with me, watching with me, doing all this. Yeah. So let me continue with the cake, and I'll talk to you later. Ciao, ciao. So okay, let me put it in the oven. Okay. Special cake, special cake, special. It's my hair. This is my hair. I want to lose it too. So yeah, thank you all. Should we wait for the cake to be ready? Okay, let's wait for the cake. Okay. Hello. Thank you all for watching the video. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Thank you for staying with me in the kitchen. Thank you for always coming by. Thank you for always passing by. You know, for always coming back to watch my video. God bless you all. Okay. I come outside to end the video. Okay. All right now. So thank you all. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Yeah. Refresh your eyes. Refresh your eye. I want you to refresh your eye. You are outside. Oh, look at how they look like. Oh my goodness, it's not easy. Do you know kitchen work is a very heavy, very big work, like very, I don't know, hard work, kitchen work, housework, yeah. Hey, even if you want to do a little thing in the kitchen before you know it, you know, to finish it, wash things, you know, arrange things. No be small, you know. Person will be like, you know, somebody can travel from here to Nigeria and return back, still need to in the kitchen, right? And you'll be like, what are you doing in the kitchen? What are you still doing? You know, not knowing that, hey, it's not easy. Yeah, kitchen work is a very hard and hard. It's hard. All right, now I will see you all. Thank you for watching. Yeah, we are in winter. I'm still waiting for snow, and yeah, Londa TV is making me longer throat with snow. And today, yeah, Joyce, Anyangu, our sister, today also she make me longer throat with snow. Though our own is not yet arrived very well. I can't wait for snow to arrive. Yeah. Although our own, we are in the city, you know, snow does not reach here. See, when the snow comes, it will not reach our domot. We only go there to visit. Yeah, we pay snow a visit. Okay now, so yeah. Anyway, bye bye my people. See you. Love you all. Ciao. Give me 5. Huzzah.